Hey everybody. Can you help me push this up to the barn? Now I know, you guys are through the camera and you can't help me push it up to the barn. But I thought it just never hurts to ask. Biggs is coming to help me. Huh? Now, some may say, why don't you use the skid loader? Well, Uncle Bob's using it right now, so we're pushing. So Biggs wanted me to do this welding here for, you know, quite a while now. Today's the day, buddy. Halfway there, pushing. But the rest is up the lane here.
Crazy.
No time like the present. Back down to the shop and get the rods and the helmet, Biggs.
Down to the shed.
The shop. Just had a lot of wind blowing in here with this door. Oh, hey, there's the door, Biggs.
Reader was already here.
Biggs went off on a different job. Now we're ready to go. Whew. Right, Biggs? So this is the first completely wrecked stall. We gotta put a new board up and then weld this tight. Right, Biggs? Yeah. Okay, we got that up there. This is prep. Biggs is ready. This is exciting, Biggs.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hand the camera over to this guy while I do this. So he will be the official recording man for this next scene. Right, buddy? Biggs is on the camera. We're getting ready for action. I'm gonna fire this thing up. I got a full blast to that. By no means am I a professional welder, but it ain't gonna move. What do you gotta say, buddy?
Get it tight.
I'm giving Biggs the camera back. Alright, Biggs, now you gotta get down on your hands and knees down here.
I am not getting on my hands and knees.
for the perfect shot. Biggs, why don't you turn the camera around and tell everybody something fun or something? Biggs! Should have ground this down.
Yeah.
It'll work, I'm not worried. There's today's cameraman. So I got 2 stalls to do yet. Then this bumper on the feed cart broke off. Weld it back on. It's lunchtime, Biggs.
Down there.
I don't know. But we're taking the welder back down to the shop. That's where we're headed right now. So this afternoon, me and Dave are gonna move some animals around before the weekend. So I gotta get a tractor on the cattle trailer. I think we're gonna use this one here. Gotta pen these cows in. We got the breeding age heifers on the trailer. We're gonna do some sorting now. Hello everybody, it's the next week. Over here at the neighbors hauling manure. Going this hill, then we're going up on the ridge. It's pretty cold out this morning and windy too. It was like that yesterday and it's gonna be like that again today. And I guess they're gonna try and get the pit empty here before the rain at the end of the week. So here's where we're spreading at. The camera is not gonna do justice, but it's steep. Go up this hill and drive up along and I back in, but it's way too steep at this end to pull up. You gotta back it out in here. Gotta lift the lift axle, lock the diff, put in 4-wheel drive, and you'll make her. But if you miss a step, you're gonna slide down the hill or spin out. You gotta lift that lift axle to put the weight on the tractor so you got traction. Everybody, I haven't recorded in a few days, but this cow's just trying to push the calf out right now, so she's got to chill out. Looks like the first calf heifer, so I'll show you guys what we got going on. You can see the feeder's starting to come out here. She's got to chill out a little bit. We got to keep an eye on her here and see what happens. Normally are all right to do it on their own most of the time. Sometimes you got to pull them out. They gotta calm down. So we'll keep an eye on her. It has been a hot minute since I have recorded. I spent all last week over at Mary Mart hauling liquid manure. I didn't record much of that. I thought we got plenty of liquid manure hauling videos and I was just hammered down. But it's a new week, new day. Back here on the farm, getting some routine things done here. Pretty much done the field work for the year. And then we'll be on to fixing and hard work and, you know, winter stuff. And right now I got to scrape the heifer barn and we're gonna put a corn stalk bale in. The cold wind has arrived, so got this barn kind of shut up so the wind doesn't blow in here and get on the cows. Well everyone, I know this video is drug out over multiple days. I haven't been recording much lately like I normally do. But we're gonna jump back into it here. So if you guys enjoyed this video, we're gonna see you in the next one.